What's up, brothers? And by the thumbnail, you already know this is going to be a raw tutorial. So let's jump right into it. So today we are doing a wig review from Kiss Love Hair, and this is a wonderful highlighted body wave wear and go air cap wig. This is a 13 by 4 lace, 250 density, and a 26-inch. Y'all, when I tell y'all this wig is thick, honey, I love the 250 density. So what they provided today was the HD wig cap. Y'all, she's showing every single thing they provided. Y'all, they provided some lashes. And one thing, we was very shooken back at how they provided so much to just a purchase. So y'all gonna get everything you need with this purchase, okay? This wig came also pre-curled. It's more beginner friendly. They have a 13 by 4 large lace. Get rid of 4 by 4 and 5 by 5 closures. Get you that 13 by 4 large lace. This lace had a lot of space. You guys will see later on in the video. This video is also pushing for the beginner girls, okay? Because it's a very good melted lace skin finish, okay? Not only that, like I said, this is a glueless wig. I will show you guys how it will look without the glue, just so you can know you can just pop this on and go. But this girl had to go somewhere, so we had to use the method. I want to show you guys two methods of glueless and of using glue, just so you guys can get on how you can kill the look for beginner friendly girlies. It also came with a band inside of the wig, which I overlove, because if you're doing your own wig, you want that wig to be tight on your head. And we did her bald cap method off camera, but if you guys want an in detail video of the bald cap method, I'll make sure that I take a little snippet and put it on my TikTok. And look at this girl playing. Ooh, 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 ooh. This girl plays too much. But we knew we was gonna eat down with this hair. It was long, full, and we was just so ready to show you guys the process. So after we did the bald cap method, I went in with some makeup, and I also went in with some wig grip spray from Olive Oil. And right now I'm just cleaning the surrounding of her wig cap, just so we won't have no extra sticky spots. You want to get that all cleared. So every little step is important, y'all. Also, I went in with the Ruby Kisses powder contour palette. You guys can get the cream and the powders. I use both, but that's what I use for her wig cap, and I will use the same also for her wig, just so you can melt it down, okay? It came pre-cut. So like I said, you guys, this is a put on and go. I will show you guys two different ways. Makeup is your best friend. Once you find your exact skin tone for yourself and you pop it onto a glueless wig, girl, you ain't gonna have no worries. Right here is when I knew she was delusional. She's a Leo, okay, y'all? She plays too much. I wanted to show you guys behind the scenes. So girl, we be having a blast. Right now I'm just plucking a little bit on that lace, but you guys can see how it already is melted. And once you put a little bit more foundation onto that lace or any type of powder, y'all, she could literally just have this, come down, put some mousse, and go. So right now I'm just plucking it to my liking because I just wanted it to give a little bit more. And then now it's time to push this back and get ready to do our glue method. So I showed you guys a quick way on all you need for this wig to just pop on and go. You just need to find your foundation shade, your true match. And then girl, this will be sealed, dealed, and delivered, and baby, move on. Now you can go to any little lounge you want to, do your little one too. Now I'm going in with some glue. I went in with at least 2 to 3 layers of this glue. You don't want the glue to be in too many spots that you know you're not gonna go down that far on. So you guys can see me just clean it up a little bit. But right now we're gonna be back and we're gonna go apply that glue. And now it's time to press in that glue. So once you put that glue down and you attach your lace, now it's time for you to mold it. So you'll be going in with your rat tail comb, using the end, using the actual comb. You'll just be combing that while the blow dryer is also blowing those edges. You want to have your wig stay on, okay? So right now I'm going back in with her foundation just so we can get rid of that lace from showing, and this will be a very similar way when you are doing your glueless. Like I said, all you need is your foundation shade. Remember that, you guys. Now I'm just gonna go in with the Kiss Love Hair band wrap, and then we're gonna let that sit. But before we do that, I'm gonna go in with my spray. Going with your adhesive spray. You're gonna need this just so it can mold down. And look at y'all, look at that scalp. Once I sprayed that, look at that scalp. I already knew this was finna give. It was finna melt down. Now have that band on. We ain't gonna have it on like it came. We ain't gonna have it on for an hour. But have it down for a few minutes and let it dry down. Off camera, it dried down. And now it's time to also mold the hair. So I'm going in with this wax stick from the hair store. And at this time, it's time to imagine. Like I always tell you guys, imagine. I'm with you guys, okay? I'm a beginner as well, y'all. So just imagine. Look at little pictures, mimic it. You know, stalk TikTok, stalk this YouTube channel because this is very beginner friendly, and just mimic on how you want your clients to look. So right now I'm just parting the wig because I decided to do a side part. This wig came as a part down the middle, but I said no, we can do something different. Side part, we're gonna bring these curls back to life. So right now, after you parted that wig in the desired way you will want it to, you're going to go with your wax stick just so you can hot comb this baby down, just so it can mold all together to your desired flatness. Also, I went in with my Fantasia spray. I wanted to spray also those areas so it can be real easy for that to just mold down. And y'all, when I tell y'all have that hot comb on 450, have it hot. Now be real careful as a beginner. What I like to do is just grab the hair so where I can just grip it so I won't end up, you know, using a hot comb on her. I do not want no lawsuit, baby. So just protect your client all times, okay? Now right now I'm just trying to keep molding it and pushing down that hair. So this part is very self-explanatory. But when it comes to wigs like this, I tell people, once you have a good company with a wide space, good lace, long full hair, 250 density, baby, hold on to this company. Get all their hair, the black, the colored, get all of it. And I know y'all gonna think I'm ghetto because I put my hand on a hot comb, but baby, I'm from the city of Miami. And one thing about it, my grandma used to always test out that hot comb and she used to touch it. They always said the grandmas always be touching it. I'm not no grandma, but yeah, I touched it because I really needed to know, was it hot enough for me. So I also wanted with more spray on that side because I wanted to seal it. And I know a lot of people do the other side. They make sure that they put the other side with edges. But yeah, I don't be on all that. I try to keep it simple as possible. So right now, I went in with way more spray. I try not to go in with too much spray, but I just went in with a little bit more just so it can be a little bit more of a slick back, you know. I want that to lay down. So I'm going in with this little edge brush, and this is just to help lay down and mold it. So I would just be going back and forth with the hot comb just so everything could be slayed. Right now, I'm mapping out how I would want my baby hairs in the direction I would want my pushback to be in. So I'm going in with that Fantasia spray. And as your client is holding the blow dryer, girl, teamwork make the dream work, okay? I'll be going in to push that back with the edge brush just to mold that pushback. And I will also go back and forth with the flat iron and continue to mold and repeat the same steps when it's coming to your pushback and to get ready to form your edges. I'm also going to be grabbing my Got To Be glue spray. This is the spray wax, and I love using this, especially when it comes to molding anything. So like I said, you will repeat your steps, use that blow dryer, and then once you finish, make sure that you spray those areas like the perimeter of her hairline, and then that's when you'll begin to go back in to lay down that hair and keep that band on for a few more minutes just so it can mold everything down. Now, this was crazy because she got up. We had to be on for a little minute, like for 15 minutes, while I like clean up and do other things. And yeah, she said, "Girl, look what it came with." Y'all, they gave us a robe. This is the first time you seeing this. Like, kudos to these hair companies. Y'all is in competition, baby. But they topped the list because I never seen a robe. Like, it's silky, it's soft, it fits any type of body type. And when we found this, we was really shook back. We said, girl, not them giving us a robe. Like, this is so tea. So convenient. Y'all better go get that wig, girl. All the links are going to be in the description box below. Go get it now. These companies eating down. Right now, I'm combing out the curls. And y'all, look how melted it made her hair look after we pulled off that band. I had to go grab the spotlight because I said, no, y'all got to see this. And then right here, I'm also feeling myself because I'm like, y'all, I cannot be no beginner. Like, I had to take some videos. Like, I had to show my little one too. Because I'm like, I can't believe. Bruh, can't believe. Make sure your camera settings is in 4K 60. Because, baby, have them lights on. A lot of people ask me about cameras and lighting and everything. One thing about it, you'll learn all the tea in my one-on-one classes because that contains the makeup or whatever. Go book your one-on-one class so you can get all the tea. But one thing about it, put whatever camera you got, put that thing on 4K 60, and then also play around with your settings, like your light settings. Like, lighting is everything. Right now, I'm going in with my small curling iron, and I'm just curling under for the baby hairs. I love some big, bulky baby hairs. I know a lot of people don't like baby hairs, but baby, grow up. I love me some baby hairs. So right now, I love to put the spray on there first, but I was noticing that my baby hairs was a little too long, and I low-key like going in with some gel. So I began to just play around with them. Now, you guys have to be very patient when it comes to these edges. Do not give up, baby. If it won't curl, cut it, baby, because that means it's just too long. If it won't curl how you imagine it to, babe, just continue to try. Right now, you guys can see me trying to struggle a little bit, but I say, you know what? I got my holy grail right here. This is the olive oil grip hold super grip gel, and I love this. I don't know why I got tongue tied. But yeah, Miami people, we get very tongue-tied, girl. Because first of all, we talk too fast. Not only that, y'all said we talking away, but whatever. So right now, I'm just putting it in the areas, and I will begin to, now it was working, okay? I was so happy. I'm like, oh my God, now I got nothing to worry about. It was working right here. So I really was so happy when this was really working. It was coming together, y'all. So once you finish those edges, make sure you also go with your blow dryer. Right now, I'm going in with some concealer. I used the CoverGirl concealer. I can't remember the shade, but remember, you guys can also use that cream palette for the different like concealer shades that I told you guys to get from the hair store by Ruby Kisses. It comes in clutch. Get you a small angle brush where you can form your own part, okay? And right now, we could have kept this like this because this came pre-curled and it was giving. But right now we're gonna go with some heat protector spray, and we also gonna go with the Got to Be Glue spray wax, and also a wide tooth comb, y'all. And if you guys don't have a wide tooth comb, you can use a small comb. You guys will see me go back and forth with using it. But right now I'm gonna just show you guys the process of me doing these little curls. I forgot where I got this curling iron from. If you guys want to know, I'll make sure that I put it down in the comments. But as you guys can see, there go me again, my ghetto self. Like, girl, I was trying to make sure it's real hot, but this thing got hot real fast. Like, once you turn it on, it just was hot. Y'all, I'm still a learning progress, okay, y'all? I would take any type of advice for the hairstylists out there that you want to give to me, baby, because I'm a learner. Like, I learned how to do makeup off of YouTube. I never took a makeup class ever a day in my life, and now I'm inspiring people, y'all. I'm a fast learner. Even out to hair, I remember what my stylist was doing to my hair. I remember like just being so obsessed with looking at like TikToks of when people do the little installs, and I wasn't even interested in doing hair, but now here I am. And if you guys ever want to be into doing hair, make sure you guys just redo your hair all the time. Do some reinstalls on your own head. Get used to you touching your head, you getting used to you knowing what is what not to do. So yeah, right here, this is my first time using a curling iron like this, but this is really eating. I was so proud of myself because like, Who knew Lachey was gonna be Eric and Lachey? Okay, who knew? But right now I'm going to the other side as well. And I'm just going through this real easy. I feel like these curls are very easy to do. I don't know why stylists charge $60 extra or $50 extra to do this simple stuff. This was so fast and so easy to do. I'm just like, oh yeah. At this point, these hairstylists just want extra money. It's like they don't even want to work no more. But yeah, other than that, we ain't gonna talk about these hairstylists, girl. But yeah, this is eating down. One thing I can say, because I had to go back in with the ending product with some more spray, and I had to redo some of these curls over, because one thing I can say, make sure that you use enough. I don't be want to use too much product, but I have to remember, if you want your curls to stay, going with a little bit more of that holding spray. You're gonna need a little bit more. But this is really the finishing result, y'all. And yes, we did her makeup off camera, y'all. I know y'all gonna be mad like, why you ain't recorded? We recorded it, but my camera was not taking the footage and the quality right. I don't know what was going on with my camera this night. And y'all, we was tired. We was at the shop all night doing this, okay? Doing this whole content. Makeup, hair. Y'all know I do the big one. But time wasn't on our side today, but it's good for me to show and help out the other community of the ones who just starting to get into hair. Hair is very easy, y'all. Just continue to stalk these people pages. You guys love EK so much. Y'all love TikTokers so much. Get to staring at these videos, okay? Y'all, this came out so beautiful. This is her without the makeup, and she already was feeling herself. But yeah, we ate this down. We had so much fun with this hair. Make sure you guys go get this hair. Like I said, all the links is in my description box below. I love you guys so much. If you want to come to Miami, you guys make sure you book a makeup appointment. And now I'm doing hair appointments. So come through. Lachey doing her little one too. You want to get princess fever? Make sure you sit in this chair. You get your hair and your makeup done. What's up? So she looks so gorgeous, y'all. This is the finishing look. I love you guys so much. If you guys want to see more, make sure that you comment down below what you like, what you want to see. I love my supporters. Love my raw babes. Love you guys so much. Bye. Mwah.